Hi guys, it's Christina Marie here with the Macy's Beauty Box February unboxing. This is my first one for Macy's, so I'm super excited about that. If you are new to my channel, I do beauty box unboxings, reviews, tutorials, and the occasional giveaway. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber yet, become one. It would really mean a lot to me. And hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. For every 1,000 subscribers that we do get to this channel, we do give away free beauty products. So let's take a look and see what's inside this box. Just grabbing my scissors here. Really got this stuck down pretty good. You know, being only February 1st, I'm really pleased that this got here so quickly. So here's kind of what's all inside the box. So the first thing is a little pamphlet that talks about all the products on the inside. You do get a $5 off coupon. It's usually either $5 or $10 off that you can use on your next beauty products at Macy's. So it's always really great. I do get a lot of my stuff from Macy's, so that's great. And you can, find out in this box, is there something that you'd like, and you could use it towards that, or you can use it towards something else at Macy's too. How cute is this lip pouch? I am digging this. How fun. Super chic. I know that they're kind of going for kind of like a February glam because of all the award season and glam stuff that's going on this month. So everything comes tightly wrapped. And I'm just going to unwrap this really quick. The first thing that I'm seeing is I'm excited about this, is the Beauty Blender Micro Mini. We got actually two of these in the lower box. This one it does say the little baby is 1/4 the size of the original Beauty Blender, perfect for maneuvering in small areas like around your eyes. For a set of two of these, it's $18, so one of these little minis is $9. The pro tip is to wet the Micro Mini before using. Squeeze out the excess liquid, then just give it a little bounce and blend. So how I like to use these is, yes, you could get them wet first and then come in, and these micros are really great for under your eye, around your nose. You can do a lot of more precision work than you can with the original full-size one. Really looking forward to using these. The next thing that we have is the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. And what it says on this is a true glam look starts with skin prep. Cleanse impurities and give your skin an extra smooth oomph with a glowing canvas. The retail size for a full size of this is $28. The pro tip is make this mask a regular part of your quote me time to keep your skin glam and ready all the time. And so I have got if you haven't already checked out my masking videos, I'll leave a link down below for that. And so I will try this guy out in an upcoming mask video. So the next thing that we have is the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. Now, ladies, I know sometimes you might think, why do I need a powder for? When you get to our age, when you get to the 45 or even before, you really want to set, especially your under eye, with setting powders. It helps it so you don't see as many creases and wrinkles and everything else. So what this says about this is, it's a translucent weight loss powder. It's a must-have in your glam arsenal. It won't look cakey, and it preserves your look for up to 16 hours. So we all really want a long wear time on our makeup. We don't want to be reapplying it throughout the day. So it says that the full size of this is $12. And the pro tip is to wear your makeup with the power. This can't be $12. It must be just $12 for this size here. The pro tip is to set your makeup with this powder to avoid photo flashback and give your skin a flawless finish. This I'm gonna really enjoy using. The next thing is by one of my favorite brands, and it is Clinique. And it is their high impact mascara. And I have a ton of these, so what I'm gonna do is put this in the giveaway box for you guys. And what it says about this, it's bigger, go home when it comes to lashes for your glam look. Take your lashes to the new level in the volume and length with this Clinique favorite, $19. Pro tip, hold the brush vertical to coat your lashes, but lash by lash for maximum definition, touching the base of your bottom lash line for added drama. So I can open this guy for you. I'm not gonna put it on. Like I said, I'm gonna use it for, put it in a giveaway. But look, I don't know if you can tell here, but you know, it's not clumpy. I really like using this type of mascara, and I've used it for a long time. So here you go. So the next thing is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in American Doll. This is a full-size product, so I'm really happy about that. A lot of times we don't get full-size in the Macy's products. So this is intense pigment and matte finish, makes this iconic Hollywood red lip the statement of effortless glam every girl needs. And get excited, you're getting this full-size version, $20. Pro tip, keep your lips hydrated and smooth, then glide on the glam. So let me take a little bit of makeup remover wipe. And let's try, so here's what this looks like. Pretty doe foot applicator. I'm just gonna put this on my hand. Oh, this is gorgeous. Here's what it looks like. And let me put this on really quick. So I'm not a person who normally doesn't wear a lot of bright red lipstick unless I am going to a big event. What do you think? Can I pull it off? Let me know in the comments below. The next item is this by Saint Laurent Black Opium Eau de Perfume Spray. This warm, spicy blend of vanilla, coffee beans, and wildflowers is a must-have, as it happens to be one of our beauty director's favorites. For a full-size bottle of this, it is $72, so it's a little bit more on the pricey side. The pro tip is spritz this dark and mysterious scent on hydrated skin to maximize its wear. So let's get it out of the package here. Ooh, this is divine, you guys. I can really smell the wildflowers, just a hint of the coffee beans and the vanilla. This would be a perfect winter scent. And what I like to do with these guys is I picked up a while ago now, just from the Dollar Tree, nothing too exciting, is this little plastic container here. And I put my perfume samples in there. And then I like to put this out in my guest room, so when I have guests coming over, that they can try one of these, or if I want to go back and revisit one, I can try one. And I love getting perfume samples because you don't want to spend all that money on something that you're not gonna like. So I like doing this. So this made me laugh, you guys. The last thing in the item are some breast petals. They are disposable, one-time use, available at Macy's. And you know, I have used them before. If you wear something form-fitting and you don't have room for basically a bra to wear, you don't really want to go totally commando, because then, you know, your parts might your nipple might be showing on the, poking through the dress a little bit. So these are perfect. So what this says here, because special events and formal wear call for smooth silhouettes, this beauty box bonus is a necessity for your emergency glam kit. A pack of 3 retail for $7. Pro tip, apply for a little extra coverage when there's not much room for much more. Basically, yeah. So I really liked most of the things in this box. I would say my favorite is probably going to be that they included the full size of the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lips. Even though I'm not a huge fan of liquid lips because they tend to dry out my lips. But so far I've been wearing this for a little while now and it hasn't dried anything out yet. So I have really high hopes for this one. So what were your favorites? Let me know in the comments below. What did you like? What do you think you can pass on? Is this a box that you think I should keep on getting? Let me know. As always, you guys, have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.